Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will explore Google in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, and we're here now to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September, 2024, our system has ranked Google as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.22. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of 5.42%. This translates to an average daily loss of 0.90% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a promising buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $149.04 is breached, it may indicate a more pronounced decline. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential decrease of 15.25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 15.80% to a decrease of 3.24%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 34.26% over the next year, with potential returns between 34.3% and 80.32%. This would translate to a price range of $201.05 to $270.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline: Google's stock price ended at $150.01 on Tuesday, after gaining approximately 0.314%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, the Google stock price increased by 0.314%, rising from $149.54 to $150.01. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.84%, with a low of $149.54 and a high of $152.30. The price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 10.67% during this period. Additionally, trading volume fell by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 19 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.92 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling early warnings of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $193.30, while the lowest price was $121.46. Currently, the price is 22.4%, or $43.29, below the 52-week high, and 94.06%, or $2,376.98, below the all-time high reached on the 11th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. The Department of Justice has initiated a significant antitrust lawsuit against Alphabet, claiming the company holds an illegal monopoly in the online advertising sector. This case, currently unfolding in court, poses potential long-term risks for Google's core advertising business, which represents a substantial portion of its revenues. Should the Department of Justice succeed, investors may see pressure on Alphabet's market positioning and profitability, impacting stock prices negatively in the short term. On a different note, Alphabet's share performance has shown some fluctuation recently, closing at $150.01 reflecting a slight gain of 0.31%. However, in the broader market context, Alphabet's stock actually lagged behind its peers, which could indicate investor wariness amid the ongoing legal challenges. Analysts have mixed views on Alphabet's long-term growth prospects, with D.A. Davidson recently assigning a neutral rating and a price target of $170 per share. This positions Alphabet amongst other tech giants viewed as potentially dominant in future artificial intelligence and technology innovations, although it also highlights the competitive pressures the company faces. Further complicating the landscape, Alphabet has encountered setbacks in European courts, resulting in a fine of $2.6 billion for market power abuse, marking a trend of heightened regulatory scrutiny. Overall, market reactions to these developments will be critical as they unfold, shaping both short-term volatility and the potential for reevaluation of Alphabet's strategic direction in a challenging regulatory environment. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Google a rating of outperform while suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, the 10th of July, 2024, it was reported that Cowen and Company rated Google as a buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 8th of July, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated Google as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 11th of June, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated Google as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 22nd of May, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs rated Google as a buy while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts offer a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Google. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 9th of September, 2024, and so far, the stock has risen approximately 0.314%. Further increases are suggested until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. There are also some negative signals that may impact short-term developments. Google stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $155.97 and $165.02. A breakthrough above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is presently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 35 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $149.54. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock generally exhibits average movements throughout the day, and given the solid trading volume, the risk level is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.76, representing a movement of 1.84%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $1.83. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $160.54. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before establishing a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic level for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Google faces its first support level at $149.54. If this support level remains intact, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of June, 2024, R. Martin Chavez made an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, R. Martin Chavez again made an insider purchase, this time acquiring 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same date, Francis Arnold conducted an insider purchase of 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. Francis Arnold made another insider purchase on the same day, acquiring an additional 2 shares of Class C Google stock units. On that date, Francis Arnold also bought 1 share of Class C Google stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 15.95. In total, insiders purchased 1,074,694 shares, while selling 1,516,434 shares over the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Google stock a good buy? Currently, Google exhibits several negative indicators and is in a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate continued weak performance in the forthcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of September, we expect Google to open with an increase of approximately 608/10,000ths and begin trading at $150.62. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.